All right, so we're still going to be working on our text features for the rest of this week. So we're going to read the story, How Plants Live in a Desert. We are going to answer the text feature questions and then do our respond to reading. So how plants live in a desert. A desert gets less than 10 inches of rain per year. It can get as hot as 100 degrees in the summer. Yet at night, it can be quite cold. It's not easy to live in a desert, but some plants do. Here we have a heading. This section tells me that it's about plants that store water. Many cactuses have a waxy coating. The wax helps stop water from evaporating or escaping through tiny holes in the plant. Cactuses are good at storing water. When it rains, a cactus stores water to live on during dry periods. For more information on cactuses plants, research the topic. I have another heading. This is telling me that this section is about plants with long roots. A second type of desert plant grows very long roots. One example is the mesquite tree. The roots of the mesquite find water deep in the ground. Some mesquites have roots that are 80 feet long. I have another heading. This is about plants with hardy seeds. A third type of plant grows only in the spring, following winter rains. It grows quickly. Soon it drops seeds. These seeds can live for a long time. If the following spring is wet, the seeds will grow. If not, the seeds may wait 2 or 3 springs to grow. Okay, on the side, well, before I do the sides, I think that's what I want. Keywords. Evaporating, that's a keyword that I should know. And I also have mesquite. These are words that are important to this text that I should know. Okay. And then lastly, I have over here my sidebar giving me some extra information. Deserts around the globe. There are many deserts around the world. The Sahara Desert is in Africa. The Gobi Desert is in Asia. The Great Basin and Mojave Deserts stretch across the American Southwest. Before we move on to our questions, they want us to circle each of the main headings in the article. How are they similar? So let's circle the main headings. So plants that store water, plants with long roots, and plants with hardy seeds. How are these all similar? They're all talking about plants and what they do, how different these plants might be. You know, some plants store water, some have long roots, some have hardy seeds. Okay, they're all talking about plants and how they survive in the desert. So the questions over text features now. Number 1, which text feature would help you find more facts about how seeds help plants survive in deserts? So if I wanted to know more facts about how seeds help plants survive in the desert, where would I find that information at? A, the picture of the mesquite tree. B, the sidebar deserts around the globe. C, the keyword evaporating in paragraph 2. Or D, the heading plants with hardy seeds. My next question. Why do authors include keywords in a text? So these keywords, why do they include these in the text? A, to show which words are hard to say. B, to use as headings within the article. C, to help readers spot important words. Or D, to call attention to the sidebar. And then you will do the turn and talk. In what places around the world might you find some of the plants you read about? Which text feature gave you this information? So if I wanted to know where I could find these type of plants, where would I look? And what places have these? And then where did I find that information? It's somewhere in this text. Did I use a heading, a keyword, a sidebar to give me different places? And then lastly, you will do your race strategy. So plants have 3 means of surviving in the desert. Tell what they are. Plants survive in the desert by, how do they survive? Tell me what the text said about that. Tell me what the text actually said. In the text, it says what? And then where did you find this information?